Welcome aboard this beautiful 2007 Sea Ray 40 motor yacht, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The 2007 Sea Ray 40 is a popular model in the Sea Ray lineup, known for its sleek design, strong performance, and luxurious features. The Sea Ray features a modern, sporty exterior with an aggressive profile and stylish lines. Sea Ray has built a reputation for crafting durable, high-quality boats, and the 40 model is no exception. Its 40-foot length and wide beam provides a spacious cockpit and interior. The boat is built with fiberglass and features a classic Sea Ray design, which is both functional and attractive. This Sea Ray 40 motor yacht is in excellent condition and has been meticulously maintained and has many new upgrades. The boat recently completed the Great Loop and is ready for her next big trip. The boat has a deep V hull which offers excellent stability and a smooth ride even in rough seas. The construction is solid with quality materials used throughout. Stepping aboard the boat is safe and easy onto the swim platform. The integrated swim platform also makes water activities more accessible and provides an excellent place for storing the dinghy. Accessing the cockpit is easy and moving forward is safe and simple. The deck is easy to navigate and there's plenty of room for lounging, making it ideal for day trips and socializing. On the bow, you are greeted with a large deck area around the windlass. The boat is equipped with a Mantus anchor, a vertical windlass, and windlass controls are accessible and easy to operate. Additionally, the anchor locker is sizable and easy to access. The enclosed and climate-controlled cockpit is well laid out for entertaining, with ample seating and a wet bar. The seats are arranged to accommodate a large group, while the helm offers excellent visibility. This cockpit is safe and secure while at anchor or underway, and there is plenty of room for chairs and table in this wonderful space. The wet bar has ample counter space, a sink, and refrigerator. When at the helm seat, you have access to a wide range of electronics and controls that the Sea Ray has to offer, including engine instruments and controls, Raymarine chart plotter, radar, and bow thruster controls. Entry into the Salon is from the cockpit, and once inside you are greeted with a warm and inviting interior, while the sizable Salon is bathed in natural light from the generous windows. Inside, the 2007 Sea Ray 40 boasts luxurious finishes like cherry wood, cabinetry, and high-quality fabrics. The interior has generous storage space, making it perfect for extended cruising or overnight trips. The electrical breaker panel is easily accessed from the Salon. forward and to starboard is the well-equipped galley with marble countertops, a dual-burner electric stove, a refrigerator, freezer, and microwave. There is ample counter space, making it suitable for preparing meals on long trips. Just next to the galley is a hatch that provides easy access to electrical equipment. The forward stateroom has 2 twin beds, making this boat suitable for families or multiple guests. There is an abundance of storage options with drawers, cabinets, and hanging lockers. Additionally, there is private access to the head from this cabin. This spacious head is to port and has access from both the forward cabin and from the living area, and includes a sink, toilet, and a spacious walk-in shower. Moving aft through the boat, we enter the comfortable aft owner's stateroom with a queen-size walk-around bed and private head. There's an abundance of storage options with drawers, cabinets, and hanging lockers. This beautiful and spacious cabin is a perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. To starboard is a vanity with sink and access to the shower and head. Engine room access is very easy and quick from a sizable hatch in the Salon deck. This vessel has an excellent engine room with easy access to the twin 425 horsepower Cummins 5.9 liter diesel engines and the Onan 9 kilowatt generator. The 2007 Sea Ray 40 is a solid choice for those looking for a well-built, high-performance luxury cruiser. It's perfect for weekend getaways, cruising, or entertaining family and friends. To book your appointment to view this 2007 Sea Ray 40 motor yacht, contact Little Yacht Sales.